learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. Weakness of attitude becomes weakness of character. No problem can be solved from the same level of consciousness that created it. Intellectual growth should commence at birth, and cease only at death. Peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding. There are two ways to live. You can live as if nothing is a miracle. You can live as if everything is a miracle. If people are good only because they fear punishment, and hope for reward, then we are a sorry lot indeed. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. All that is valuable in human society depends upon the opportunity for development accorded the individual. Any man who reads too much and uses his own brain too little falls into lazy habits of thinking. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. Education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learned in school. The only reason for time is so that everything doesn't happen at once. Imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's coming attractions. The world is a dangerous place to live, not because of the people who are evil, but because of the people who don't do anything about it. The value of a man should be seen in what he gives, and not in what he is able to receive. In matters of truth and justice, there is no difference between large and small problems, for issues concerning the treatment of people are all the same. Most people say that it is the intellect which makes a great scientist. They are wrong. It is character.